Users from all across the world can make high-quality voice calls using Telegram. You have the power to decide who can and cannot call you. If you'd rather, you can also prevent anyone and everyone from calling you. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable calls on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram app on your device. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings from the panel. On the Settings page, tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Calls. Tap on Nobody button. Tap on tick icon on the top right of your screen to confirm it. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to disable calls on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.